Looking for the best ratchets to make your work smoother and more efficient? In this video, we'll walk you through top quality options that deliver durability, precision, and ease of use, helping you choose the perfect tool for your needs. Our channel uploads quality videos daily to give you better ideas about different kinds of products, so make sure you stick around, hit that like button, and subscribe for more handy reviews. Number 1. Aries 1/4-inch Reversible Ratchet. You can enjoy the benefits of a ratchet without spending a lot, and we found a great deal on a high-quality Aries model. The Aries 4268 features a 1/4-inch drive and a 3-degree swing arc, so we were able to tighten and loosen fasteners in spots with very limited space. It's designed with chrome vanadium steel to be strong, durable, and easy to clean, but it doesn't have a quick-release button. Still, we had no problem removing sockets and putting new ones on. Just a firm pull on the socket was all we needed to remove it from the drive. Aside from its affordable price tag, the real benefit of this ratchet is its gearing. This model has 120 teeth, requiring just 3 degrees of swing. That helped us with fasteners in even the tightest situations. The Aries ratchet best suits small fasteners found in electronics, appliances, and bicycle maintenance. In fact, we added it to our take-along bike bag, since there's no telling when we'll need to make adjustments or tighten bolts on the road. Number 2. AC Delco Power 12-volt 3/8-inch Cordless Ratchet. For DIYers who don't mind spending a little extra cash for added convenience, we suggest the AC Delco Power 12V 38-inch Cordless Ratchet. This tool all but eliminates scraped knuckles and unnecessary movements. This cordless ratchet is handy for tightening bolts in narrow locations. We really like its low-profile design, which isn't much larger than a typical ratchet. It's also useful for dealing with multiple fasteners over the course of a project, and it comes with 7 sockets and a 1/4-inch drive adapter. Alone, the AC Delco provides 45 pounds of torque, which is more than enough to snug a bolt initially. Users can then apply up to 100 pounds of torque by hand to tighten the bolt all the way. But since 100 pounds is its maximum torque output, which is plenty for lawn mowers, bikes, and regular shop use, it won't cut the mustard for heavy-duty work on trucks, trailers, or professional applications. Number 3. Aries 1/2-inch Drive Ratchet. When it comes to stubborn bolts and heavy-duty work, we think the Aries 1/2-inch Drive Ratchet could be the go-to tool for getting the job done. This ratchet accepts 1/2-inch sockets and is built to withstand plenty of torque. The Aries ratchet features a chrome vanadium body and long handle, making it strong and helpful for applying torque. Yet, this model also retains some of the convenience of smaller models, thanks to features like its 90-tooth count that requires only 4 degrees of rotation and a quick-release button that makes it easier to remove heavy-duty sockets. The smooth grip, however, may become an issue if users exert a lot of pressure. The absence of texture could cause a hand to slip, so we suggest wearing non-slip gloves when using this ratchet in high-torque situations. Number 4. Tecton 1/4-inch Composite Quick-Release Ratchet. Those looking for a ratchet that's easy and comfortable to grip should consider Tecton's 1/4-inch ratchet. It has an ergonomic, non-slip grip that was easier on our hands than the bare steel models. We found it especially handy for tinkering with small, light-duty projects like audio, video, computer, and small engine work. This Tecton ratchet features 72 teeth and a compact head that fits in tight spots and requires just 5 degrees to progress. It also has a slightly offset handle that curves and provides more room for hands and fingers, which was a real knuckle saver in tight spots during our testing. The body consists of a composite shell with a chrome vanadium core, making it fairly strong yet lightweight. We appreciated the quick release button, which made swapping tiny, tough-to-grab sockets easier. However, due to the shorter length handle, we weren't able to apply a lot of torque. So this shouldn't be the only ratchet in a toolkit. Number 5. Nico 8-inch Drive Extendable Ratchet. Home mechanics who want a bit more comfort and flexibility from their Ratchet should consider this 1/8-inch extendable Ratchet from NACO. We like that it's made from high-quality chrome vanadium and features a sure-grip rubber handle that telescopes for different fastening projects. Simply pull back on the handle's collar and extend it to the desired length. When released, the locking collar will maintain the length of the handle. It adjusts from 8.5 to 12.8 inches. The handle's rubber grip promotes comfort and offers a good grasp in wet or greasy conditions. Also, this model's 72-tooth gear requires smaller ratchet increments, just 5 degrees, something that can be important with the handle extended to reduce unnecessary movement. However, we think the weight of this ratchet might lead to hand fatigue with repeated use.